Hello, my name is Khalil Nassar. I'd like to introduce the Rokroot online debug training series. Debugging a computer is difficult, and I can help. In the context of this training, debugging a computer comprises connecting one computer known as the debugger to another computer known as the debuggee, or attaching one program known as the debugger to another program known as the debuggee in order to find out what is wrong. Typically, this activity is performed by IT professionals, product support engineers, testers, and developers. I've been debugging Windows professionally for over 10 years, and I've had the good fortune to be able to shape the debugger with an aim towards what I call systems level or macro debugging, which complements the application or driver level focus that the debugger was traditionally more oriented towards. An example of a systems level command is .context, which later evolved into .process, and the slew of user mode commands that this opened the door to from a kernel mode debugger. Based on this bent, the approach that I take to debugging is that all disciplines of debugging are similar and that context is paramount. Am I talking about debugger relative context or processor relative context? Before we get into context, I'd like to present the overview of the online debug training series. It follows the same basic format as the in-person Rokroot Debug Bootcamp, but is broken up into small training videos for each topic so that you can purchase whatever you need, either instruction directly to the point of a topic of interest or a little more depth to explain the background behind the method. For example, say you want to learn my technique for tracing from a user mode process into the kernel mode counterpart thread and then set a breakpoint. Or you want to spend time on one of the Theory 1 topics for deeper understanding, such as the concept of heap tagging. By purchasing 10 training modules, you will receive a 10% discount on all purchases of equal or lesser value from that point on. Note, all training modules last for 1 month. Let's go to the training website now and see how to take advantage of it. Firstly, feel free to use the search facility on this site to help you along in your debug efforts. I made it in part so that I can search on a keyword and easily disseminate a debug technique. So for example, if I were to enter the keyword heap, I would get the resulting set of training modules. I can drill into each training module and see if the description is a technique that I can take advantage of. A couple notes. First, if the thumbnail is not present, the training module has not been uploaded to the system. Please contact sales@rokroot.com for urgent need for the upload of a particular training module. Otherwise, training modules are being produced in the order that interests me the most. Second, you can search on the new module keyword to find all the training modules that have recently become available. You can also search on the free module keyword to find all the training modules that you can watch immediately for free. Purchasing training modules. Once you have selected the training modules of interest and gone through the payment process via PayPal, you'll be emailed a username and password and the direct links for the training videos you have ordered. So come to training.rokroot.com to find a broad range of debugging techniques to help you solve your Windows computer issues quickly. Remember to search on the free module keyword and to check back frequently for new debug training videos and our very affordable rates. Thank you.